How to find and save Windows Spotlight images. Method 1. Using the File Explorer. Step 1. Open File Explorer. Press Windows ++E to open File Explorer. Step 2. Navigate to the Spotlight folder. Go to the following path. C. Users Username App Data Local Packages Microsoft Windows Content Delivery and Quifenanith Wakti Local State Assets. Step 3. Place your username with your actual Windows username. Step 4. View the images. In the Assets folder, you'll find files without extensions. These are the Windows Spotlight images. Step 5. Copy the images. Select the images you want to save. Right-click and choose Copy. Step 6. Paste Androname, Creatia, new folder, for example, Spotlight images on your desktop or another location. Paste the copied files into this folder. Rename the files and add a JPG extension to each one, for example, Image1, JPG. Step 7. Enjoy your images. You set these images as wallpapers or for any other purpose.